Jade rollers and Gua Sha are the beauty tools from ancient Chinese history. In the past, people used the natural cooling effect of jade to relax the muscles. There is also a rumor of Empress Dowager Shi from the Qing dynasty using a jade roller. Though there is no exact evidence about it, a jade roller with gold accents is present in the Palace Museum. Coming back to the present time, in the USA, it was not popular until 2016. It became popular when Vogue published an article with the headline, "Meet the Jade Roller, the Chinese skincare tool that tightens, depuffs, and more." Today, in 2021, many of us use jade rollers and Gua Sha to depuff for the help of lymphatic drainage. As the product has grown popular, so have the production also. Today, many more Gua Sha and jade roller sets are available on the market. So we have picked the 5 best jade roller and Gua Sha sets, which will be the perfect choice for you. Now without further ado, let's jump into the video.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
One of our top picks is HANABEE Gua Sha Tool and Jade Roller. It's made of 100% rose quartz named Heartstone. It's a great beauty care product for anti-aging that helps in rejuvenating and relaxing the muscles. Moreover, the stone provides cooling energies to the skin, which helps in blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. With HANABEE Gua Sha Tool, you will get a suede towel as a gift, which you can use for cleaning after usage. If you want a jade roller and a Gua Sha set made of quartz, then you can pick the Deciniee jade roller and Gua Sha set. It's elegant, and its sturdy appearance gives extra solidarity to the handle. You will get this set in the colors pink and green. The jade roller with the massage cream helps the cream to get absorbed into the skin, and at the same time depuffs the skin. The heart-shaped Gua Sha set is great for the use for body, neck, frozen shoulder, and it helps in face slimming. Roselyn Boutique Jade Roller Gua Sha Facial Tool Sets is a timeless, glorious, simple hand tool that is used for anti-aging. You will get the original and natural set made from jade stone, but you will also get another black version of this jade roller and Gua Sha set. And this black version is made from black obsidian stone, from which it gets the unique black color. It has a smooth texture and finish, and it's easy to use and clean. You can use it to massage your moisturizer and night cream. Moreover, you can see an immediate result after using the If you want a jade roller and Gua Sha set that not only does its job but also feels premium and luxurious, then the FACEMADE jade roller and Gua Sha set is the perfect pick for you. It's made of 100% natural quartz. Moreover, the jade roller and Gua Sha set are hand polished and smooth, so you will not get any bruises or feel rough. The jade stone itself is cold naturally, but you can pop it in the freezer for an extra chilling effect. You can also use a jade roller and Gua Sha set with facial serum or moisturizer. The shape of the jade roller is ergonomically designed to fit the curves of your face. It's a double-headed jade roller. The larger roller is used for the neck, chin, and forehead, and you can use a small roller for the eyes. The Gua Sha is a scraping tool that you can use easily, and you can use it on different parts of the body. This set comes with a jade roller, a Gua Sha 1 instruction card, and a very exquisite packaging. The Jade roller reduces skin swelling and the puffiness on the lower eyelid. It also minimalizes fine lines and wrinkles and relieves muscle tension. Additionally, the Jade roller has noise-free cap design with silicone wheels inside the rolling stone, which gives you a smooth and comfortable experience. If you want a Jade roller that gives you a lifted and dewy look, then go for the BAIMEI Jade roller and Gua Sha. Its packaging is kind of similar to the packaging of Deciniee. This Jade roller helps in relieving muscle tension and lymphatic drainage, and the lymphatic drainage reduces facial edema, which makes your appearance more youthful. The Jade roller has a sturdy finish and it does not make a squeaky sound at all. Finally, the BAIMEI Jade roller and Gua Sha eradicate morning puffiness and refreshes the skin. Jade rollers and Gua Sha are ancient beauty tools that have become famous even in the era of modern technology. They are easy to use and maintain. So, in these modern times, these tools are still cherished by everyone for their effectiveness. Thanks for watching! Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you find these videos useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell for more updates.